All right, hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick update of what we've been doing with the agency in general and just know how things have been going because I haven't created a video for the agency in a long while. I have posted some results here and there, but I kind of shifted a bit of attention to my second YouTube channel, which I'm working on right now. So it takes a bit of time to get content on there. Videos can be anywhere from like 30 minutes to like 45 minutes. And at the same time, we were also like busy with improving this agency's website, but also just decluttering a lot of stuff, a lot of documents and files that we have built up over the years, especially with past clients, maybe things that, courses or just materials that I've gathered. So I've had to just really just delete like 50% of the stuff I had in my Google Drive. And I think I'm still not there. I'm probably gonna, I think next week we have a flight. I have a flight to like Taiwan. So I'm probably gonna spend a bit of time just going through my files and just deleting every single thing that we don't use anymore. A lot of the work when it comes to like SEO, right? A lot of the work that we do is going to be in one file or just one particular folder per client, just more effective, more efficient for us. And so, but yeah, it takes a bit of time. There are things in there like, I might need this in the future, but just never know. So, like I said, we have been working on our agency website, just giving it a different look and not necessarily just a different look, but also just adding more client testimonials. So as you can see here, we have a bit more client results and also websites that we have built, right? I sometimes get a lot of questions about, hey, have you ever built a junk removal website? Can you build a roofing website? I'm like, yeah, we've dealt with quite a bit of home service providers. So whether that's roofing, plumbing, HVAC, even like junk removal companies, right? Landscaping companies, we can build pretty much anything. It's just really, as if you come to us and you're like, hey, I need a new website, and you have an idea, or let's just say you've seen a website that you really like, we can actually model your new design based on that website. Now, if you have no clue what type of website you'd like and you want us to design you a website from scratch, like this one here was designed from scratch for this guy in the UK that was looking to get into. I think they install like media. See if I can bring it back. I can't. But yeah, they install media walls in homes in the UK. So they want a very sleek design. And so my designer, custom design, just designed everything from scratch. After, of course, we put together like a content document. I basically showed them what the content would look like and send that over to my designers, and then they created something beautiful. Now this is only a part of it, right? But you get what I mean. So we can pretty much design anything. So it just really depends on your timeline and I guess like the budget. Like if you want a fully custom like 50-page website, it's going to be more, of course, than just a 5-page or 10-page website. That's a standard design or whatnot that doesn't require a designer, right? I've also adjusted this. I'm not sure what service I removed, but we're gonna downsize and just focus on mainly websites. So we maintain a lot of websites for clients on a monthly basis, and that means that we have to, right? We have to take care of like their plugins, making sure that all of their plugins are up to date, and there's some premium plugins that we installed in order for their website to just run smoothly, and for just in case there are like any kind of like malware on your website, right? We always have an offsite backup, so we can take care of that. That's essentially like the website support that we provide. Like I said, we do website design, so that's custom or that's just a standard design. And we pretty much have a budget for almost anyone, unless you want a website for less than $100, then we're not we can't help you. Now we do still do GMB management, so that's Google My Business SEO. We also do local SEO. So if you're a roofing company, and we work with a lot of restoration companies, junk removal, and also like cleaning companies, whether that's carpet cleaning, Like you have carpet cleaning, quite a bit of them. But yeah, we work with cleaning companies, restoration companies, a lot of those kind of like companies. So we know what to do when it comes to like SEO. So we essentially not just take care of like the support, but also just the SEO portion, building links, creating new content for you, and of course we hook you up with like our CRM to to better track your leads that are coming from your website and social media. So yeah, this is kind of like the design or the upgrade. So there's a bit more content on these pages. I'm going to be swapping these out with some latest design, some more custom design. These are some guys, girls also that we worked with in the past. Bit about myself. Now, I think I will remove this image from here. I just haven't come around to design a section yet or design something that I would like to put here, but yeah, we'll figure that out. So web design pages, that has also had a facelift, so it's a bit different. It also highlights a bit better what we do when it comes to web design. Also, our designs are on there more. I will be linking out to the actual design or the mock-up site that we built, like in case of this one. Just haven't got around to doing it yet. So let's see, companies that we've worked with or actually just still working with. We're actually rebuilding this guy's website. Great guy in Australia. Our pricing, now like I said, it really depends on like how many pages you're looking for us to build out initially. You can always start with one of these. If you have a smaller budget, we also have like a monthly plan where you don't pay any like huge upfront fee for like the website. It just really depends. If you'd like a standard website, we do have like pricing for that. This is more for like custom design website that we design from scratch, completely new pages, and that are optimized for like Google. So all of the plans, what's included, this is the process. We get a lot of questions about these stuff. And then also stuff that are like included in the service that we provide. So quite useful. Yeah, so all of the pages, like I said, have been re-envisioned or just improved. The website partnership you just saw, that is our pay-as-you-go plan. So if you just want like a standard website up as quickly as possible, we do have like website templates that we can deploy for you. And then, you would have a website, you'd have a website right away and you wouldn't have to pay any huge, large upfront costs. Local SEO, as I said, a bit more structured. You can kind of like read about what's included. We are very like, if you're on like one of our SEO plans, we do quite a bit of like link building, especially if you don't have any links. And then depending on whether you have content or not, we may focus initially mainly on content or just redesigning, rebuilding the entire website. Or in some cases, if you've been with us like for a couple of months, we would have already taken care of most of like the on-page issues. We would have loaded you up with a lot of content, and then the focus shifts to like links. And our link building methods are a bit more advanced, right? So you're getting like tier 1, tier 2 links that are all interconnected with each other. So I had one client who asked me like, well, he actually sent me a message like, hey, that's not my website. So it was a URL with his business name in it. And I believe it was a listing or a social profile, but I think it was a listing with his business name in there. And we wrote an article. It was on one of these platforms or websites that we build the links on, and it was linking back to another citations. And it just had to explain to him like, we don't want like 100 backlinks going back to your website every single month. New backlinks are showing up. That's just very unnatural. What we want to do is like create a web of natural looking links for Google, so that Google sees that your brand is growing and that you're a real brand, right? We also don't want to target like just the keyword that you're going for and just exact target that. So in his case, for example, it was for water damage services. So but yeah, we don't want to like list water damage every single time we create a link. So in many cases, what we'll do initially is just rank for your brand name. So whatever your company is, whatever name it is, George George Plumbing, that's what we're going to rank for. If your brand name has your keyword in it, it's even better. And in this case, for the client, it does have his keyword in it. So it's going to help him rank for the brand, but also for the keyword. And then it's going to be much easier for him. Right now, we're seeing that most of his impressions are coming from the water damage search terms, and then there are a bit of like fire damages, but mainly water damage. So that's great. Anyways, links, we maintain your Google My Business, your reputation management, but then we also, right, it isn't listed here, but I'll probably have my guys list it out because it's quite a bit of stuff. We also do like the website support, right? So it just depends on whether you have a webmaster or not. If you don't have a webmaster and you're doing all yourself, like, man, you're wasting a lot of time. You might as well just burn your money or whatnot, but just get someone to do it, get a team to do it. Even for this website, my own website, I do not go on my website unless it's a minor tweak, but even then I just send it over to my developers because that's what they're focused on every single day. They're more efficient at it, and they're not going to break something, right? If you go on your own website, you break stuff, then you're going to have to find a developer to fix it for you. Or in the case of like my clients, I tell them, just don't go on your website and try to fix stuff. Just send it over to my guys, because if you break something, your website will be down for a bit, and it will take my guys extra time to fix that issue for you. So yeah, this here, we're still working on these. Added some more grids. I think I'm gonna add some more case studies. Actually, we'll create a page for case studies. I think we still just have like the portfolio here, portfolio of websites, but we are also going to create a list of case studies because we do have like a lot of results. And when I'm asked for results, or I just send people to like my Facebook profile, or I send them to my website and just tell them, yeah, there's like a lot of stuff there. I've been around for a bit, and yeah, I think in the future I just want to send them to like a particular page on a website, or just send them to the website where they see exactly what type of results we can get, or what you can be accomplished with proper SEO and a proper website. So these are our SEO packages. These include GMB management, website SEO, the link building, and just link building and what am I talking about? Yeah, link building and content creation, right? Pretty much everything that's here and that was mentioned above. And we do a bit more stuff. We integrate your SEO, or just your website, right, with our CRM. So you get a CRM to manage your leads once your leads start coming through. So pretty good. And then bit of explanation why you actually just with a website you're not going to get there. Just with GMB optimization you're not going to get there. You actually need everything working together in order for us to get the best results for you. So yeah, if you are watching this and you want like a free SEO audit, we're still doing free SEO audits. So just click here and you get a free SEO audit, which means you'll get a video recording of your website, me walking to your website just like I'm doing right now with my own website, and I'll just tell you what you need to fix, what you need to update. I'll try to give you like a top 3, top 5 things to improve. Top 5 if you have a lot of shit going on that's just wrong and that you need to upgrade. And whether you do it through us or not, I really don't really care that much. But well, I do care, but at the end of the day, you get to choose whoever you choose, right? So it is what it is. So yeah, local SEO, and then GMB management. GMB management is just to manage the Google My Business profile, get your citations, get the foundational stuff ready, right? So we have here some other results. I think I'll get my guy to put the niche that this was in, because this might not like seeing 1,000 calls. For certain industries, it's just not going to be like realistic to get that in a month or even like 3 months, because it's more higher ticket. But I'm not really sure what industry this was. I think it might be for like repair services. So yeah, this video, I still gotta re-record everything and just refresh this. I think this was from like the older website. But yeah, what's included, and if you scroll down, what you'll find is like the pricing for our GMB management services. So this one is like the basic package, and then this one is the more advanced with a bit more link building going on, website support, a bit better. So yeah, and yeah, we have a 14-day money back guarantee because at the end of the day, I don't want to work with you if you don't want to work with me. It's as simple as that. And right, so yeah, if at any point you just don't feel like having us do your SEO or maintain your website, you just fire us. Just tell us, yeah, just move on to someone else. It is what it is, right? So yeah, results again. So yeah, if you guys need to see any kind of like results, just head over to the website, or actually better yet, head over to my Facebook profile because I post a lot more content on there. Just because when I first started out, most of my clients actually came from Facebook. I think I didn't even have my own website. Most of my clients came from Facebook, and they also trusted me because I've been around for a while. And yeah, that's kind of like why I still post a lot on Facebook. I think I will change that in the next coming months, so be more video based, maybe a bit less on Facebook or just once in a while. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, like I said, if you need that audit, just let me know. Cheers.